Most people start faceless YouTube channels the wrong way. They download some AI tools, generate a few videos, post for a week, and then wonder why nothing grows. But building a channel is a system, and systems require order, not chaos. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step playbook I'm using to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Not theory, not hype, not overnight results. A process that is repeatable and scalable. Before I create any videos, I need a niche that has emotional pull, stable demand, strong retention characteristics, proven monetization potential. This is where most channels fail. They skip this foundation and start producing content too soon. Step 1. Choose a niche with emotional gravity. Faceless channels succeed when the viewer stays to see what happens next. True crime is a perfect example of this. Curiosity plus suspense plus unanswered questions equals retention. Step 2. Analyze the top channels in the niche. Search true crime on YouTube. Sort channels by most popular. When you do this, you'll notice patterns. Calm narration, slow storytelling pacing, minimal visuals, consistent narrative structure. Patterns reveal what the market rewards. Step 3. Validate that the demand is stable, not hype. I check Google Trends. If interest is stable across multiple years, it's a sustainable niche. True crime has shown long-term interest for over a decade. Not spikes, not fads, just consistency. Step 4. Evaluate monetization depth. High view counts are great, but we need revenue. So I look at CPM range, sponsorship categories, affiliate product relevance, long-term watch time potential. True crime performs well in these areas, especially when storytelling is strong. Step 5. Create the storytelling blueprint. For a faceless true crime channel, the structure often looks like this. Introduce the case with curiosity. Raise the central question. Reveal details one piece at a time. Lead toward the resolution. Close with reflection, not shock. This creates narrative momentum. Momentum drives retention. Step 6. Build the production workflow. The workflow I'm building looks like this. Research, story notes, script, ChatGPT refinement, voiceover, 11 labs, visuals, Pictory, AI cinematic imagery, upload, optimized metadata. Once the workflow is stable, it can be repeated. Repetition equals scale. So to recap the system, pick a niche that can hold attention, validate demand through data, confirm monetization strength, study the top channels to find structural patterns, build a repeatable workflow. This is the playbook. I haven't started posting yet because the foundation matters more than speed. This isn't about going viral. This is about building something that continues to grow. In the next video, I'll show you how I go from niche to video topics without copying other creators. Follow along as I continue building this step by step.